and I believe that the most important issue, or at least my number one issue, is the gas line. Because without the gas line, we will obviously have none of the other things that we're talking about. We've been relying on the oil line for 30 years to supply the revenue to the state of Alaska that does the education, the public safety, the transportation, all the things at varying degrees we rely on. With the gas line, we will have the opportunity to reduce fuel costs to the villages, because if we have control of it, then we have something that we can do with it. We don't have control of it now, and we need to take that control, because the oil industry is not interested in releasing that control. And it's obvious we've stumbled around with the negotiations for 3 years now for a gas line, and nothing has happened. First, we need to have that done. Then we can properly fund education. Education in the villages obviously costs more. You simply fund it. That's all there is to it. You can't avoid the issue. There's more money needed for just the physical plans, as well as teachers and teachers' costs. Obviously need to do that. That's an important item to me. Public safety is also high on my list, and that is another one that you need to fund as well. You need to train those people just like you would train any other police officers anywhere else. You need to include them in the community and make sure that the folks that from the communities are brought in, training is necessary, and then sent back. You need to create that interest in the villages to make sure that people want to stay there and work there, and you have to have some kind of an economy there. I realize that there's a lot of cash economy, but we can spread the economy out throughout our state if we have control of our own destiny, which starts with the gas line and jobs for people in general. Thank you very much.